Welcome to a series of 100 Python tips for a beginner. Tip 5. Passing list as a function arguments. I have a function with 4 arguments and I have a list with 4 items. I want to pass this list to the function, and every argument in this function will take one value in the list. How to do this? In just a line of code. If I pass the list directly to the function and run the code, you will get an error. Let's find out. See, it gives you error say that you are missing 3 required arguments because you are just passing one argument, which is a list, and this list will be directly be assigned to the first argument, which is A. So how we pass this list to the function, and every argument in this function will take one value in the list. To do this directly, you just add star before the name of the list and pass it to the functions. Then run the code again and let's see the result. Now the output is the total of all items. It means that every argument in the function take one value in the list and give the sum of all items, which is 14. That's it. So you just add a star before the list. It means that you are passing the list as arguments for the function. One more benefit to use a star before the name of the list, we can pass the list to the function as a tuple. We know in Python we have list and tuple. Both are a Python built-in data type to store collection of data. And the main difference between them, list is changeable and tuple is unchangeable. So if I pass the list to the function and instead of using 4 arguments, I will just use 1 argument, and I will also add a star before the name of the argument. So in this case, I will not print the sum, just let's print the type of the items. Let's see what is the type of items here, and here also before calling the function we can also print the type of the items, okay? And let's see what is the difference. Here at the beginning the type is list, and then in the function the type is tuple. What is the benefit of this? If I pass the list as a tuple, it means that we cannot change the value of the list inside the function. So if I use this, for example, now if I try to make like items 0 equal 6, for example, I want to change any value and run the code, I will get an error. Yeah, I will get an error because it's a tuple, it's not a list. But if I try to change the value here before calling the function and run the code again, we will not find any error because here the type is list and here the type is tuple. This is tip number 5, and we still have 95 tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to receive all our videos as we upload videos over time, and as usual, hope to see you again.